So here we have to find the value of sin 60, cos 30, sin 30 and cos 60. We have to put the value here and we have to find. It is asked to evaluate this expression. Okay, so here is very important that we should remember the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees of sine, cos and tan values. So sine 60, you know from the table, it is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is half and cos 60 is also half. So with this, root 3 into root 3 gives 3 and 2 into 2 it will give 4. 1 and 1 by 4. So value is 1. So here when we are putting these values, so I'll say that there are the many tricks to remember those 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90 degree values, but see, like creating the own table, it takes time. So instead of that, better we should do not fully technique or 90 degrees. So what you can do is you remember only one values in case if you forget everything. So you remember at least one values. What is that? Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. Once you remember this, so then you know that these sine and cos, they are 90 degree apart, so that is why this value can be repeated. So cos 0 is 1, then cos 30 is this value of sine 60 which is root 3 by 2 and 45 is same, and this is again half here and again 0 here, cos 90 0 here. Okay, and same way is that tan is, we know that tan is a sine by cos is tan, so 0 by 1 is 0, this will give 1 by root 3, this will give 1, this will give root 3 and this will give infinity. 1 by 0 is undefined. So the point here is that if you can remember sine values, then I think we can reconstruct this table very easily. But if you can remember all the values over the time, if you practice, it saves a lot of time. Especially in exam, this kind of question will be given only 1 mark, because this is only no analysis, this is only this value based. So please remember these values, or in case you forget, at least remember the sign, so you can reconstruct it from there.